sure everybody knows how to brown up sausage. You just want to break it up, make sure it's cooked through. Put it on a plate with some paper towels, drain the grease. So, all right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this going and get the bacon going after this, and then I'll put everything together and assemble it before it goes in the oven and show you how to make this breakfast before. Okay, now that the sausage is done, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop that out and get the bacon in. Okay guys, so starting the bacon now. As you can see, just throw it in the pan, not any way particular, whatever, just throw it in there, cook it, no big deal. I'll stir it around a little bit. I know a lot of people like to separate this, lay it on tray, and make it perfect. You're gonna be breaking this up and throwing it in with the breakfast before, so you can just be all leisurely casual and just be lazy about it and just throw it in the pan, cook it, okay? All right. So once this is done, I'll get that on a paper towel and then we'll move on. Yes, still cooking the bacon. Everybody has their own preference on bacon. I like mine to be a little bit soft, but mostly crispy. So I'm gonna keep cooking it until it gets to that point. All right. Okay guys, as you can see, the bacon's done. It's a little bit soft and crispy. Like I said, it will cook some more in the oven, but this is how I prefer mine. All right, so we have that and the sausage, and I am doing everything in the same pan. So we're gonna let the grease cool down a little bit and then I'll move on to the next step. Okay, so we've washed out the pan. I'm gonna be getting the eggs, the cheese, and I actually don't have any bread, so we're going to be substituting with bagels for this recipe. You can use any bread that you like, wheat, biscuits, ciabatta bread. I don't know. I'm using bagels. Like I said, recipes are fun. You modify them however you like. You want to add onions, peppers, different kinds of cheeses. You know, you make this how you like it. I'm just giving you a platform to start from. Okay, here we go. All right, I'll be using butter spray to coat the pan that we are putting everything in. We're using the same pan for everything for this breakfast dish. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and spray this. Spray your pan, the sides and everything. Spray it good, generously. Okay, so we have plenty of spray, and I'll get the other stuff to start assembling. Okay, so this is a total of 3 bagels broken up, put in the bottom of the pan after we sprayed it, and that's the first step. Now I am going to get the cheese, the sausage, and the bacon, and we're going to start to assemble. Okay guys, this was 20 to 25 minutes on my oven. Everybody's oven's a little bit different, but it is done. Now I'm just going to let it sit for 10 minutes to cool, then I'll cut it and show you what it looks like.
I'm going to take 2 pieces because it looks so delicious. Let me separate it. Look at the gooey cheese. You see the string of cheese? It's very nice. Very nice.